As a food blogger and mom of 3, the most used area of my house is my pantry. I decided 2024 would be the year I finally take control of my pantry for 3 reasons. Number 1, I want to better organize my pantry staples for easier meal planning. I'm guilty of forgetting about items that aren't visible or in a logical spot. Number 2, I want my kids to be able to access certain items so they can independently get snacks and make their own lunches. Right now, they're contributing to the mess because they can't reach their most used items. And number 3, I want a system to reduce food waste by keeping our food fresher for longer. As a family of 5, we buy many items in bulk and constantly throw out stale bags of chips that are secured with just a clip. So to save money and keep our food fresher longer, I invested in food storage containers that not only look aesthetically pleasing, but will keep our food as fresh as possible for as long as possible. So after auditing our pantry and getting rid of our expired items, I decanted our bulk food items in properly sized food storage containers. I chose Zwilling's Fresh and Safe Cubes because they come in 9 sizes that work perfectly for our various food storage needs. They're stackable to really maximize our food storage space, and they have a vacuum sealed technology system that pulls out the air to keep everything fresher longer. I love using their smart labels, so I'm notified before items go stale and then can meal plan based on expiration dates. With the chalk pen, you can label each container and then group like items together in the pantry. Everything is now where you can easily see it. It's honestly been completely life-changing for our family.